But let's talk about our own markets. Yogesh Mehta and JK Jain join in. Yogesh, let me start with you. Markets have slipped a tad bit from the high point of the day. We saw something similar happening even in yesterday's trade. It's been unable to climb above that 8600, 8650 level. What would be the Nifty call now?
Yeah, true. Good afternoon. See, Nifty is still consolidated between 8550 to 8650 levels, though it has given a spike above that level yesterday but could not sustain. But then here on, what we are looking is 8650 to 8700 as a strong resistance level, and it has tried multiple times since last around 10 odd sessions, but it is not crossing over this level. So on a correction basis, we think that trailing stop loss for long position would be 8550 on the spot Nifty. Below that we can look at going short on the market, but till then we are avoiding going short as of now, and below 8550 then we can look at 8400 or 8380 as a target for Nifty. So as of now, market is still in a consolidation level.
Well, Yogesh, what about some trading picks? We're back at around the 8600 mark or thereabouts. So what kind of picks can you give us for today?
Yeah, sure. Still, we are going on a long side. Then there are three stocks which we are looking at on a buy side. One of those is United Phosphorus UPL Limited. In August series, the future is quoting at 607, 608 level, and considering a stop loss of say around 593 to 594 level, we can look at a price target of 640 as a first price target. Results are still to come on Friday. Second is Bharat Heavy Electronics. Again, on the future front, we are looking at buying this stock with current price is 149 in the futures, and keeping a target of 157 and a stop loss of 145.
Okay, let's get JK Jain into the discussion as well. JK, your individual trading ideas?
Yeah, we are giving three recommendations: to buy and one sell. The first one is the Maruti. We are recommending buy in Maruti with a target of 4750 and a stop loss of 45.25 for the August futures. If you look at this stock, has formed a base around 3600 to 4000 levels and resumed its uptrend. In this uptrend, we are seeing good amount of long position that got built up, which is getting rolled to the August series, clearly indicating that the momentum would continue even in the next month series as well. And the stock is likely to test all-time high. So for the short-term perspective, one can buy with the stock of 4525 for targets of 4750. And the other stock we are recommending is Power Grid. If you look at this stock, has seen continuous long position build up despite the stock has been outperforming the broader market. If you look at this stock, has given a strong breakout in yesterday's session. The stock is trading at its lifetime high, so clearly indicating that the momentum would carry on in this stock. So for the short term perspective, one can keep a stop loss of 169 and take a long position for immediate targets of 180. Even positional basis, someone who is looking for 1 to 2 months perspective, this stock is looking extremely strong. One can take a long position for targets of 200 levels as well. The third stock we are giving recommendation is sell on M&M Finance. If you look at this stock, has seen good amount of long unwinding before the result. Post results, we have seen short positions that got built up in this stock. No doubt the stock is giving a pullback. In pullback, one can use this pullback to accumulate short position. So for short-term perspective, one can keep a stop loss of 318 and create a short position in M&M Finance. On the downside, one can see an immediate target of 300 levels.
All right, thanks so much, gentlemen, for joining in and giving us those picks. By the way, the Nifty has recovered from the low point of the day on the back of the positive opening that we saw from the European market.